Well, hello there, I'm Rudy from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making the good old potato salad. You can make it as fancy or as plain as you want yourself. So, let's start. It's pretty obvious that you need potatoes in a potato salad. I'm cooking the potatoes with the skin on in salted water. I peel the skin afterwards because in my opinion it gives the potatoes more flavor. While they are cooking, cut one small onion into small pieces. If you don't like the taste of raw onion, you will love this tip. Squeeze out the juice of one lemon and add the onion to it. Let this sit in the juice for at least 10 minutes. The acid of the lemon juice will slowly cook the onions, so you won't have that raw onion taste. Boil the eggs for around 8 to 9 minutes. When the potatoes are cooked, drain them and rinse them with some cold water. This helps with removing the skin. Also run some cold water over your eggs when they are cooked. Remove the skin from the potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Make sure they are cooled down before moving on. Now add the mayonnaise and the onion mixture we made earlier. Give it a mix. Add the capers for some salt and cut in 3 of the 4 boiled eggs. Just cut them up because they will be mixed in anyway. Lastly, add some salt and pepper to your liking. Add it to a nice bowl and place on your remaining egg for decoration. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.